Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Lindemeyer. I'm coming at you with your week 2 check-in. I wanted to say great job, another week down, amazing work. Thank you so much for your patience when I was gone on vacation. It was a lot of driving, 4 hours with kids in the car, and honestly they did good on 3 out of the 4 days. The last day they had a little bit of a rough time, but oh well. We had a really good time spending about 2.5 days with our good friends. And I just really appreciate your flexibility with that piece. But I've been back online. I did a crud ton of grading yesterday. I mean, a lot. And I'm back at it today and probably as well tomorrow. My goal, just so you know, is to be done through Thursday's due dates by Monday. Technically, I really try to do 72 business days, getting that work done for you guys. So Tuesday stuff I like to have done by Friday, and then Thursday stuff I really like to make sure I have done by Tuesday. So I really strive for that very hard, and if not, it's literally because I'm probably back-to-back meeting happened this morning, so good times. But anyways, there was one thing I wanted to mention, and that would be your discussion boards. Now, some of you have already had discussion boards in your classes, and some of you haven't. And what I'm noticing is that some of us are kind of struggling with the idea of what a good response to a classmate includes. Some of you did a great job. In fact, in my econ class especially, let me just give a quick shout out. Almost all of you had very well substantiated posts. I was very pleased with the additional pieces of content or additional questions for your classmates. But that's what you really need to make sure you're doing in your discussion posts. You need to make sure that you have something else you're adding to the conversation. If you're just saying, I like that, good job, would you say that in a classroom? Think about it, right? If someone says something particularly profound, would you raise your hand and be like, yeah, I like that, that was a really good job? You probably wouldn't do that because everyone would be like, what's going on with that kid? So let's treat this like it's a classroom discussion. I was a little late to the party since I was actually, if you had a discussion already, I was on vacation. But normally when we have discussions, I really like to get in there and check things out. Like my big history project kids for Honors World History 1, dang, you guys had some really good questions and some really good things to talk about with the concept of that class. I just really appreciate when you guys talk to each other, when you're engaging in conversation, and that you are actually giving substantiated posts. So look at my examples when I reply back to people in the thread. Look at some of your classmates that might look a little lengthier and go, oh, so that's what they're doing. They're adding an additional piece of content that we've learned, or they're asking a question about that response because maybe they didn't understand what they meant by a specific piece. Those are the types of things that will get you higher up on that discussion board rubric. I'll try and maybe snip some pieces as well of some good responses in discussion boards and kind of send those out so that you guys can see what that looks like, okay? I know this is a little bit long, and I'm going to try and finish up here in the next 30 seconds, okay? But I wanted to let you know that I will be at Boulder Creek on Tuesday the 10th this week, okay, from 3 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the online learning lab in case you need me up there. I will also be available, and it's really short time because I have another meeting at 3, but on Wednesday I have 1 to 2:30, okay, at Barry Goldwater by appointment. So if you need to see me, if you have a question about something, I know that that's probably going to just limit it to my seniors for that day. If you really need me at your campus, please let me know. I can kind of flex some stuff around most likely. So if you are someone at Mountain Ridge and you just can't make it up to Boulder Creek and you need me, please let me know, okay? I'm here. I have a pretty flexible schedule. Wednesdays are rough, just meetings. But I do want to make sure that if you have questions for me that you feel can only be answered in person, that I get that taken care of for you, okay? Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm looking forward to some football. Don't know if any of you guys are football fans, but I'm really looking forward to it. And I just hope that you guys have just a nice, safe, wonderful weekend, all right? Reach out if you need anything, as always, and thanks so much. Bye, guys.